Good morning, class. Today's topic is limitation of green revolution. In previous classes, we have studied about the green revolution and its importance or advantages. But in today's class, we will discuss about the limitation. So, there are some observations through which we can find out that what are the limitation of failure of the green revolution. So beta, the very first failure of the green revolution was limited crop. Limited crop, here we can say revolutionary rise in output is confined mainly to the production of food grains. There has been no similar rise in the production of pulse and commercial crop like jute and cotton. Okay, so here we can say that due to green revolution only wheat and rice are grown properly, but other commercial food or crop will not be grown properly, or they have not been paid proper attention. Okay, second limitation, we can say uneven spread. So spread of green revolution has not been uniform across all regions. In a state like Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, it made a remarkable impact, but in eastern UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha, its impact was relatively insignificant. Okay, here we can say that the approach or reach of or spread of green revolution was unequal. Okay, some state got good advantages of the green revolution, but some state like eastern UP, MP, Odisha, this state did not take or was not able to take the advantages of green revolution. Okay, but states like Punjab, Haryana took great advantages of the green revolution. So here we can say uneven spread of green revolution. Third one we can say beta limited farming population. So the bulk of farming population in India consists of small and marginal farmers. The grain of green revolution have eluded these farmers because HYV technology require expensive input which are beyond the reach of marginal farmers. However, rich farming population happen to own the bulk of farming area, which is why the result of green revolution are found to be impressive in terms of overall rise in the output. Okay, so the population or we can say farmers who are using HYV seeds were very limited. Why? Because small farmers were not able to buy or purchase the seeds and the chemical fertilizer which is required for the crop. Okay, so that particular or majority of the portion was not able to use the HYV technology, while the rich people or rich farmers were using the HYV seeds or HYV technology. Okay, beta. Fourth, we can say economic divide. Thanks to green revolution, the economic divide, the gulf between rich and poor has substantially risen over time. Poverty is widespread and indebtedness is extremely high. Loan waivers are frequently offered, yet suicide among the farmers is emerging to be a serious challenge. Okay, and due to this green revolution, there was a huge gap developed between the rich and poor farmers. Okay, although government is trying its best to provide the loan waiving facilities. Okay, किसानों के लोन माफ करने की फैसिलिटी गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रही है, बट स्टिल फार्मर्स आर कमिटिंग suicide. Okay, so these are some limitation of green revolution. I hope all these points are clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.